Hey, it's me, Technician here, and today I'm playing Minecraft. Obviously, I'm being a little bit more quiet than usual because it's night. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and I can't just play Minecraft. I'm playing this mod called Farm Life, and I know the basics because I was playing with this with my friend earlier today. Today I was playing Minecraft a lot at night. Started at 8:56 and it ended on 11. So I got to play a lot of Minecraft, and the last thing I was playing was this mod with him. He doesn't have a YouTube channel that I know of, but he's really Animal Geek. So that's why I had to kind of do that with him. So give me a minute, I'm gonna mute all my stuff so I don't get notifications. Okay, so it's taking a while to load, which doesn't happen usually because my internet is really crappy. So let's see if it actually load. If not, I'm gonna cry. Earlier today I was playing Skyblock. That's on here, and I was really good. I kept dying though because I think I hear fireworks. Because of the lava. If you hear something that's really fucking making me annoyed, it is. And yeah, that's really fun. If you can't hear me in this video, I'm so sorry. Like always, it's taking forever, like 2 minutes of me rambling. Please work. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. I hear freaking whistling noise. It's making me mad. If you hear stuff in the background, it's just my sister yelling at her cats. And there's some weird noises I hear, but I guess that's normal. I don't know. Oh, thank God. Okay. I love it. Take forever, but I love it. Yes, I have loaded into this app already because I'm gonna play with my brother, but I never did. The music's kind of loud. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's go upstairs. I haven't actually really explored. I just opened the map. So there's nothing really in here like chests, so I'm gonna go back downstairs and start. There are really mean animals around here. Like the rats and bulls. So I gotta be careful. That's let me. Oh God. Everything's lagging. Okay. Okay. Zzz. Okay, what's up? Okay. There's a papa. Hey, Papa. You're cute. Okay. Chicken? Okay. I'm scared. There is person I can talk to. Can I? Alex, okay. Adult animals, they will have a baby. Okay. There's poop everywhere. Uh-huh. I heard a giant crash and I'm scared. Lady, can I click on you? Bird eggs have been available food since prehistory. Shut up.
Her name is Emily.
Oh, this is why I can never be on a farm. Oh, there's a guy up there I didn't notice. It's a grandpa and... Who are you? Lagging like hella bad. Sebastian. He come and play the banjo. Beware of spiders. Okay, Sebastian. Did I break it? What's this? In that house. Bunny. Oh. You cutie. What's up? Guy, James. Hey, are you new around here? Do you want to help plow the fields? This is why I'm not passing English. Just a plow attachment to the tractor by driving to the field. Then drive to one of the fields and activate the plow by pressing the jump key to start plowing the land. Wait. Hello, sweetheart. Shut up. Why aren't you dead yet? Thank you. Hello, kitty. What's your name? Darcy. Yep. Hey there. I can't do accents. Hey there. I ain't got nothing to sell, but I suggest that you visit the farmer's market in Sunshine Town to buy things like new machinery and seeds. It's not very far from here. Just make sure to bring some money or items to trade. Okay. And in here they have a whole bunch of zombies. Which I'm scared. I don't have a weapon. This is not fair. You're supposed to be... You're fucking strong. I'm gonna die. Dorothy, James, Alex, Sebastian, and Grandpa. So, fun fact about me, before I moved from Minnesota, where I originally was from, I lived in a small town in Minnesota before I moved here. So, yeah. Who are you, kitty? I can't pronounce your name. Make sure to keep your animals well fed. They eat and drink from the troughs. You can also feed them manually with feed. Okay. Oop. There's a whole bunch of hay in a chest. Corn and oats. Oh, another chest. What's in here? Oats and corn. Shall we? I hope I don't die getting down. If I can actually get the fuck down. Like, I have wheat. It looks sweet. Do you? I don't think it does. Do you? You sleep. Do you? I don't really like being in here because of all the zombies. Might as well head out. I see another chest I can get to. This is a plow and tractor. This one more guy I see I can talk to. Lettuce seed, oat seed, strawberry seeds, and broccoli. I like the strawberry seeds. I like broccoli, I guess. I want to talk to you, lady. I assume you're a lady. Michelle, talk to your cops, they'll listen. I hate that bitch. Anyways, I think that's it from in here, or no, there's not. I can do. I'm stuck going straight. Let me turn. Then we get in the truck and go into town. I don't know why I'm starting to sound very weird. That's not a part of this game, but we're gonna know it. Can I move any slower? There's a scarecrow. There's that person. I think it's a scarecrow. Yep, scarecrow, but I see another person I can talk to. Hey, they're good looking. Okay, Margaret. Here's a team. Hey, harvest the crops mainly with your hands or use the harvester. Use the tractor with a plant attached to it. Okay. Whoa! Chris. This is the dude I was playing with. He joined. Do I tell him I'm recording? Yeah, I'm gonna tell him I'm recording. Um. Oh, hey, I'm recording. I don't think he understands my spelling. He's like the smartest kid in my class. Yes. I'm recording this whole conversation. Dude, don't mess with anything. Oh my god. This be the death of me. So you're playing a farming game. Oh god. We're gonna go into town. Hopefully I can freaking drive. Driver's side is this way. I don't think I can, but I'm gonna leave him here. Oh god. Oh god, this is gonna be a horribly wrong, isn't it? I'm lagging. Oh god. Okay. So far so good. We're gonna turn this way. I ran into a goddamn post. Okay. Man, I suck at driving. I'm still learning. Well, let me phrase that. I'm trying to learn. But, I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Okay. We just go straight. I've gone paying attention, like, what way it is, like, so, we're just gonna see if I can find the stew town. This is how farmers feel, like, oh, I see a building. Is it this way or is this just my ranch? Oh, we're about to find out. I think it is. Yeah, it's just the ranch. It's just a ranch. So basically I went in circles. Oh, this is a different ranch. Okay. Okay. turn around. Isn't that where I meant to go? Let's see. I'm already 20 minutes and no progress. Shocked that my friend joined. Ooh. Oh, shit. Planes. Okay. I'm so confused. Should I have turned off or? Well, we're going straight. My earbud's about to fall out of my freaking ear. Oh, there you go. We're gonna turn. Maybe. Okay. There's no directions to. So we're just gonna go this way. There's a rat following me. I'm kind of pissed. So. Ouch. It keeps hitting me. Okay. We're just gonna turn off. Oop. Right back to the farm. Why not? We're like, shit. This fucking rat is following me. I'm getting mad. So let's see if I can actually find this goddamn town. Ocean. Stupid rat's punching. We're gonna turn off. Oh shit. This is town. I'm everywhere at this point. Like, I don't think I'm able to get back home. So. And no town. Oh. Okay, that's something. Let's turn off. Oop. And we're just gonna. Great parking job. I don't know. Yeah, that'll do it. Oh, I'm at the market. Oh, shit. Oh, there you go. Howdy. What's your name? Do you have a name? No, I can't talk to you. I trade. Hello, lady. Am I about to hear a giant pop? He hasn't left, so I'm guessing he's still on. Somewhere. My screen like frozen after I clicked trade. Okay, there we go. What's any of these seeds? Broccoli seeds. No thank you. The exact same thing? Hopefully not. It is. Okay. What are these? Brussels sprouts. I bought them. Oh, I should never be just my money. There's so many goddamn rats. What are you... I can talk to you. Okay. Mary. Okay. You, can I talk to you? Ooh, cute name. Oh my god, they don't. I'm surrounded by maniacs. How about you? Got any good advice? Bart. Happy days. Let's sing a song. Anybody listen? Oh, crazy people. Hey, I didn't mean to do that. You know, I don't care. Can I talk to you or just trade? Just trade. I have 2 rats following me. I think it's time for me to go back to farm. I don't know how I'm supposed to shut those doors, but they're wide open. Now time for me to have 2 rats follow me back home. Yeah, it's so buggy I can't even drive. Okay. I would never do this in real life, I swear. Oh my god. I'm on the left side. I just noticed that. Okay. On my home again. Oh my god, this video is so long. I think I'm gonna end it once I get back. So. And do another video on the Skyblock, whatever you want to call it. Okay. We're gonna stop here and turn off this way to town. And what does this one say? I don't know because I can't see. I'm guessing this is the way to my home. On the road again, like we did last summer. We're gonna. Why did I do that? I meant to turn, but it didn't. Dude. Excuse me? Did I just saw something fly by? Why did I do that? Nope. Wait, what the fuck? There you go. I'm in the middle of the road. Or something. Anyways. I have no clue where to go from here. Yeah, no clue. We're just gonna go this way. It took me it's taking me 3 minutes just so I can find this goddamn house. So tempted to ditch this fucking truck and run. But I can't do that. So. More signs. We're just gonna. Okay. Okay, yeah. I'm going right. I knew I was doing something right. This way is to the oak farm. So I'm going as fast as I can to there. The world rolling. It's going. My ears itchy. Okay. 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 I think we have nails, so let me go check. Okay. I don't know. Let's actually get something done. I can't close the door. And I'm gonna try that out. What did he do? Well, you harvested everything, just didn't put it back. Fuck. Who are you, Ben? Sell your crops in the market. You get rich. Okay. Oh, just at the market. Wait. Okay. Where's those goddamn rats? I need food. So we're gonna eat. So. Blueberry pie. You had to give me all of that. So we're gonna go explore. There's a bull somewhere that likes to hurt people. So I'm scared to go in this pen because when I was playing, this is where he was. But I said my friend wasn't creative, so he could have. Mess with me, I swear to God, I'll fuck you. Fucking rat bitch. Okay. So, let's get in this pen, and my friend wasn't creative. He was doing stuff, so he could have spawned it to see what it was. Or it's just, I haven't saw it on this farm yet. What am I doing? Too lazy to go around. Problem solved. Oh, you're gonna love this, okay. So, my flings. Who's that? The grandpa. Why is it the chicken guy? Oh, it's Alex. It's the chicken guy. Oh, yeah, the chickens. And the pig. Okay. I'm gonna talk to Grandpa. He's still asleep. Can I hit him? Damn old bastard. Okay, well, this is all for this episode. Hope you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and all that shit. And I don't know. And this was exciting. I just don't know how I feel about it. Because there wasn't much to do, that's the problem, and just being running around being an idiot. If you want to see more of this, I'm happy to. Understand we just looked around. I looked around to see what's going on, what I'm supposed to do. Yeah. Excuse me, Jesus. Okay. I know he's not gonna watch this video, but my lovely boyfriend, if you're watching this, call me. That's it. Just call me. I haven't talked to my boyfriend in a while, and it makes me really sad. So if you know my boyfriend, I shouldn't be saying this because I'm the dumbass. I want you to tell him to call me. Isn't that my name? What? You hit me. Wait, not. I'm gonna die. Shit. Get off. It killed me? Jesus. Nothing. No. I don't got school. That's tomorrow. I said that's tomorrow. It's tomorrow's my problem. There's a pig in my door. The bowl's gone. Pigs don't belong inside, sorry. I'm scared. I should really end this video. I should ask him if he wants to come over and send the camera in the video with me. Should I? You guys can't answer for me, so I'm gonna. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing scared the crap out of me. Can I get my shit back? Thank you. Don't cack on me, bitch. Not using it anyways. Doesn't matter. place. One empty place. Thank you. Where's the goddamn bowl? It's me answering. Okay. This is rodeo time, and I'm scared. It's not bucking. It's not moving either. So let me ask. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Hey, no. Get off my pool. Ah! Okay. Okay. Shh. Come back. Inside. Come here. Here we go. I should get off. I really hope this bolt doesn't come inside. Okay. Come here. Nope. I have no clue where he is. Okay, there he is. I can't stop this goddamn bowl. Stop. I'm riding a bull. Because it's chasing him. It seems like I'm trying to... Okay. I need to kill this bull. Or make it follow me. I'm on my dog and I feel sorry. It's gonna be an hour of recording if I don't get my bull to calm the fuck down. Don't steal a truck. Oh my god, this is a disaster. Look at my bowl. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe. Stop. And I'll see you in the next one. And this is my friend. I'm older than him. Hope you enjoyed, like, and subscribe, and all that shit. And go at him. I'm kidding, don't. He's gonna kill me. Bye!